Hello and welcome to USA Jackpot Result. Today you are watching New York Lotto result. Pick 3 winning numbers, win 4 winning numbers, and take 5 winning numbers. Today, 1st May 2026, Friday, making three winning numbers are 7, 2, 4, and making win four winning numbers are 1, 6, 3, 2. Take five winning numbers are 33, 32, 35, 5, and 12. Again, a repeat number 1st May 2026 Friday, New York Lotto result evening drawing. Pick three winning numbers are 7, 2, 4, making win four winning numbers are 1, 6, 3, 2, and take five winning numbers are 33, 32, 35, 5, and 12. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please collect your ticket and see the winning numbers. We hope you are one of today's winners. So viewers, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on notification bell icon so never miss you any of USA Lotto result live update. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.